Have you ever settled in for a cozy evening on a YouTube binge, only to find out that your TV's brightness mysteriously keeps fluctuating? It can be a real headache whether you're trying to enjoy your favorite content. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix YouTube changing the brightness on the TV and reclaim your perfect viewing experience. Whether it's due to adaptive settings or hidden features, I've got you covered. Step 1. Disable adaptive brightness settings. Many modern TVs come equipped with adaptive brightness settings designed to optimize your viewing experience by adjusting the display according to ambient light. While this feature can be useful, it can often interfere with YouTube videos by causing unwanted brightness changes. Here's how you can turn it off. First, access your TV settings. Grab your remote and navigate to the menu or settings option on your TV. Next, locate picture settings. Look for the picture or display settings, and within this menu, find options related to adaptive features. Third, disable ambient light detection. Turn off any setting labeled ambient light detection, eco sensor, or automatic brightness adjustments. This will prevent your TV from altering brightness based on room lighting. Step 2. Adjust YouTube app settings. Sometimes the issue might not be with your TV, but with the YouTube app itself. Here's how to tweak its settings. First, open up the YouTube app. Launch the YouTube app on your TV. Next, access video playback settings. Navigate to the app settings or general settings. Third, check for HDR mode. If your TV supports HDR, try toggling HDR settings. Sometimes HDR attempts to adjust brightness to enhance video quality, which might not always be suitable. Step 3. Update your TV firmware. Keeping your TV's firmware updated is crucial in ensuring optimal performance. This step can often resolve unexpected issues like brightness changes in apps, including YouTube. First, check for updates. Navigate to settings and then support or system on your TV. Look for software update or firmware options. Second, install available updates. If there are updates available, proceed to install them. This could fix bugs related to app operation and display settings. Third, restart your TV. After updating, do a quick restart to ensure all changes are properly applied. Step 4. Monitor HDMI CEC settings. Some TVs have a feature called HDMI CEC, which allows connected devices to control settings on the TV. This could cause unexpected brightness changes when using apps like YouTube. You can locate the HDMI CEC settings by going to Settings under System or External Inputs. Disable HDMI CEC. Temporarily disable HDMI CEC to check if it resolves the brightness fluctuation issue.